There's a silent revolution happening right now. While most people scroll through social media, complain about inflation, and wait for opportunities to come to them, a small group of people is using AI tools to build businesses, automate income, and tap into a level of productivity that would have taken entire teams to achieve just a few years ago. These people aren't just getting ahead, they're becoming the next wave of millionaires. And the truth is simple: those who learn to use AI will replace those who don't. Today's video explains exactly which AI tools are leading this shift. Tools that normal people are already using to create content, build companies, automate their workflow, and make money at a speed that was impossible before. If you're serious about financial freedom, the tools you're about to discover can completely change the direction of your life. Artificial intelligence used to be something only giant companies could access. Today, it's in everyone's hands. And just like the early days of the internet, when a handful of people became millionaires because they understood the opportunity before everyone else, the same thing is happening again. The difference? This time the opportunity is even bigger. AI is no longer just about answering questions. It can write, design, analyze, edit, code, manage, build, scale, and automate. These tools give one person the power of an entire team. And when you combine speed, efficiency, and creativity, you create wealth. In this video, we'll walk through the most powerful AI tools that are responsible for building new millionaires. Tools that help you start businesses without employees, automate tasks humans used to do, create viral content, build websites, apps, and digital products, scale online income, and multiply your productivity. Every tool you'll hear about has real potential, real use cases, and real people already using it to change their financial lives. So let's start with the first category, the one creating more new millionaires than anything else right now. Number 1, AI business builders. The tools that let one person do the work of 10 ChatGPT/GPT-5 assistants. This is the foundation of modern opportunity. ChatGPT is not just a chatbot. It's the ultimate digital worker. With custom GPTs and automations, people are building copywriting agencies, social media management services, full online courses, book publishing businesses, customer support systems, marketing funnels, faceless YouTube channels. One person can deliver what used to take an entire team. You can generate scripts, sales pages, business plans, email sequences, and complete branding in minutes. This alone has helped thousands start high-income businesses from home. But ChatGPT becomes even more powerful when paired with automation tools like Zapier, Make, or AutoGPT-style agents, which brings us to the next one. AI agents, AutoGPT-style workers. AI agents are changing how work is done. These tools don't just answer questions, they execute tasks. They can research a market, collect data, organize workflows, optimize websites, run marketing campaigns, manage social profiles, schedule emails, monitor competitors. Where the average human employee works 8 hours a day, an AI agent works 24/7 with zero salary, zero breaks, and zero complaints. Businesses are replacing entire departments with automated agents, and those who understand how to use them are already profiting big. Number 2, AI content creation. Tools are the fastest growing category for new millionaires. Content has always created wealth, but now AI allows you to produce in minutes what used to take days. Midjourney/DALLE for image creation. Image AI is fueling new types of digital businesses, print-on-demand stores, book illustration logo and branding design, ad creatives, product mock-ups, NFT art, digital posters. People with zero design skills are generating professional artwork that sells, and they're scaling their stores faster than traditional designers ever could. Suno AI and Udio, AI music creation. AI music is exploding. These tools let anyone create music tracks, background scores, jingles, commercial audio, viral TikTok hooks. Thousands of creators are already monetizing AI-generated music on YouTube, Spotify, and social platforms. And with demand for audio content rising, early adopters are earning more than ever. Runway ML, video creation. Powerhouse Runway is transforming video production. It allows you to generate cinematic scenes, remove backgrounds, create characters, edit videos with AI commands, build VFX without professional tools. Creators who used to need expensive equipment now produce professional-level video content using only AI, turning video editing into one of the most profitable skills of the decade. Number 3, AI for automation. Tools that save time and make money. 24/7 Zapier/Make/N8N. These automation platforms are the backbone of AI businesses. They connect everything: AI chatbots, websites, email systems, tools, CRMs, social media accounts. With automation, you can create customer support bots, completely automated agencies, automated lead generation, auto-posting systems, auto-email responders, auto-order fulfillment. These tools help one person run a company that would normally require multiple employees. AI scheduling and management tools. Tools like Notion AI, and ClickUp AI help people manage every task in their business automatically. They create schedules, workflows, deadlines, priorities, reminders. Team structures. This turns chaos into order and boosts productivity to a level most people have never experienced. Number 4, AI for money-making skills. Tools that teach you high-income skills faster than ever. Perplexity Research AI tools. These tools act like research assistants. They can analyze markets, discover trends, compare tools, create reports, gather statistics, summarize complex topics. This helps you gain knowledge faster than traditional learning, and knowledge is the most profitable asset today. Coding tools. Replit AI, GitHub Copilot, Claude for coding. You don't need to be a programmer anymore to build websites, apps, browser extensions, SaaS products, automation tools, AI-powered software, AI coding tools, write the code, fix bugs, and create entire features. Many new millionaires are emerging from AI-powered SaaS products built by non-coders because the barrier to entry is now almost zero. Number 5, AI for personal brands and content businesses, Opus Clip and Captions. These tools take long videos and convert them into viral short-form clips. You can repurpose podcasts, create TikTok videos, make shorts, edit interviews, produce branding content. These tools apply viral science, automatic subtitles, zooming, jump cuts, hooks, and titles. They give creators a massive advantage. Thumbnail AI tools. Thumbnails are one of the most important elements for YouTube growth, and AI tools now generate clickable thumbnails, high-contrast designs, viral-style layouts, attention-grabbing expressions, optimized colors and fonts. Creators using these tools have seen subscriber counts grow faster than ever. Number 6, AI tools for investment and financial advantage. AI stock and crypto analysis tools. While these tools don't guarantee profits, they do help analyze trends, patterns, market behavior, risk levels, news movements. AI tools used for financial research can uncover insights in seconds that take humans hours to find. AI real estate tools. Real estate investors use AI to analyze properties, compare neighborhoods, predict rental income, estimate renovation costs, forecast market growth. This helps them make smarter and faster investment decisions, the kind that build long-term wealth. Number 7, AI tools for entrepreneurs. The backbone of scaling a business sales force. Einstein, a HubSpot. AI businesses use these AI systems to understand customers, predict sales, increase conversions, automate communication, improve customer experience. This level of intelligence gives businesses a massive edge, helping them earn more and spend less. AI hiring tools. Entrepreneurs no longer need large HR teams. AI hiring systems can filter candidates, match skills, conduct first-round interviews, score resumes, predict best performers. Small businesses save huge costs, allowing them to grow faster. Number 8, the rise of AI tool stacks. Combining tools for massive profits. The real magic happens when you stack tools. Use ChatGPT to write content, Runway to create video, Midjourney to design images, Opus Clip to create shorts, Zapier to automate publishing, Notion AI to manage everything. This combination creates an automated content machine, and many creators are already earning full-time incomes with these stacks. Entrepreneurs are using the same method. Research with Perplexity, build software with Replit AI, market with ChatGPT, automate sales with Zapier, run customer service with AI agents. This is how one-person businesses become million-dollar companies. The world is changing faster than ever, and AI isn't just another trend. It's the foundation of the new economy. The people who learn to use these tools now will become the leaders, creators, and millionaires of tomorrow. The ones who ignore it will be left behind. The exciting part? You don't need technical skills. You don't need a big budget. You don't need a team. You only need curiosity, consistency, and the willingness to learn. If you start applying these tools today, you'll be ahead of 99% of people. And the opportunity is right now, not next year, not someday, but today, while AI is still new and most people are still sleeping on it. If you found this video valuable and want more powerful content about AI, business growth, and building wealth in the new digital era, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and turn on notifications so you never miss the strategies that could completely transform your financial future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.